Hi, I'm Brent, and this is me. Hi, I am Brent, once again, and this is me.
They say, "Lil' number, where you been at? I'm just passing the breeze. I've been running up a check, that's why these bitches on me. I've been coolin' laying low, but I'm not taking this seat. But just know a nigga back in this time I won't leave. I've been running.
Because I did that last year, remember? Yeah. So, in what ways have you grown this past school year? How did being a link leader contribute to this growth? And what would you like the future to hold? Well, in this past school year, I've significantly become more confident through this class. This class has allowed me to put myself out there more. Along with confidence, I also want to improve on public speaking. With that, I've taken practice through this with giving presentations, walking around, and even talking to new students. For example, I did SEL week this year, and I was able to publicly speak across the whole campus. For example.
For our student story today, we have Junior Brent Torres. Welcome, Brent.
Thank you, Mr. Pestle. My name is Brent Torres once again, and I'm a junior in Link Crew who was able to find my place at Costa. I'll tell you that it did not come without its obstacles, but that it was the people around me that helped me move forward. It took me a while to understand that. I was lucky to find people to help lift me up, and in doing so, bring themselves up as well. I realized that these people went out of their way to help me, and that life is not all that one-sided, where when you give something up, you lose something. Don't be afraid to ask for help, because this campus is full of staff and students who are willing to help. A year ago, I was not the type of guy to go out of my way to make another's day. One day, I fell and dropped my folders in the hall, where two very kind people helped me get my papers back in order. It felt very nice to receive help. From then on, I began to do small things for others. Simple things as holding doors open, smiling at another, or asking someone how their day is can go a long way for them and even for yourself. It makes you feel good to do good things for others. True kindness lies within the act of giving without the expectation of something in return. And with that, keep moving forward and have a great rest of your day, Costa.
Awesome. Excellent.
Perfect. Thank you guys.
This past school year, I've also grown significantly as I've reached most of my short-term goals, and I've fully improved on everything that I've actually wanted to improve and more, such as improving my surfing ability, improving the way I film, shoot, and plan, and also fully improve on my school as well. So, how did being a link leader contribute to this growth? Being a link leader helped significantly because it gave me the opportunities to put myself out there in each and every one of these instances. If I wasn't a link leader, I don't think I would have taken charge or jumped at any of these opportunities. Me being a leader automatically gave me 1 foot forward, and all I had to do was just move the other foot forward. What would you like the future to hold? Well, that's a good question, and I believe the future holds a lot. I do see myself becoming a significantly better leader, better time management still to work on, and to overall improve on public speaking. This has taken a bunch of takes by now, and I have people walking by, and it's hard, but I'm still getting used to it. And I think that's the beauty of it, because it just takes practice on constantly putting yourself out there. See, I feel like I make a good link leader because I am still able to use the social part of me to connect with others, yet have my diverse range of skills, sports, clubs, to have something in common with an incoming student. And I think that's what makes it important. Although I've grown over this past year, I still want the same idea. I'm still passionate about improving me, you, in this very community we both live in.